I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a non-Wi-Fi path, USB tethering from your phone or a wired Ethernet adapter. Plug the phone into the laptop with a good data cable, then enable USB tethering in phone settings. If you have a router or wall Ethernet jack, connect a USB to Ethernet adapter. The laptop will detect a wired NIC. Do this now because both methods create a direct network link without relying on wireless radios, giving you faster, more stable access immediately. Once connected, make sure drivers and profiles are correct so traffic flows. On Windows, check Device Manager for the USB network adapter and install drivers if flagged. Configure the network profile as private and confirm IP for DHCP is enabled so you get an IP automatically. For cellular modems, open the mobile broadband settings and verify the APN and credentials. Incorrect APN prevents data. These steps fix the middle step mismatches that commonly block internet after a hardware link. Now verify and lock things down. Open a browser and load a page or run a speed test to confirm connectivity. This validates DNS and routing. Make the connection metered if you're on limited mobile data so updates don't consume your plan. If you hit problems, first check the physical cable and power, then confirm drivers and that the phone's cellular data is active. If still offline, restart the laptop and phone, and recheck APN or SIM balance. Reboots often clear persistent network faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.